Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 8 more about money. Money is something like we use in notes and coins to buy things. We earn or get money by working. The unit of Indian money is the rupee. See here the rupee symbol. So this is the symbol of rupee. Now paise is written as P in short. For example, here 100 paise makes 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now, addition and subtraction with money. Addition and subtraction with money. When you need to buy some things at the shop and have to get the right change back, remember to add or subtract with money with the right place value. When an amount of money involves rupees and paise, we should know that a decimal has two parts separated by a dot called the decimal point. For example, see here I will show you one example. Example, rupees 99.54 paise. Actually, in usual we call it as 99 rupees 54 paise. Okay, now let us observe and learn. Add 35 rupees 50 paise and 13 rupees 25 paise. What we have to do here, we have to write in rupees column and paise columns first. So 35 you write in rupees and 50 paise you write in paise column. Now again bring this 13 and 25. 13 rupees you write in rupees column and 25 you write in paise column. Now we have to add this 35 plus 13.25. Okay, now first what we will do? We have to add ones column in paise. So 0 plus 5 is 5 and move to the tens place. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. Now move to the rupees column. Rupees column again we have two places values like tens place value and ones place value. Now in ones place value we are adding now. 5 plus 3 is 8. So write 8 in ones column. Now move to tens place. In tens place 3 and 1 are there. Now we have to add 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. Write this 4 in tens place. So tens column we have written 4. So rupees 35 50 paise plus 13 rupees 25 paise, our answer is rupees 48 rupees 75 paise. Now move to next page. Here add rupees 78 and 50 paise and rupees 20 rupees 75 paise. Now they have given already example here. They arranged 78 in rupees column and 50 in paise column. Likewise 20 in rupees column and 70 in paises part. Now first we have to add paise. How many places are there here? Two places, that is ones place and tens place. Now we shall start adding ones place. So ones place 0 plus 5 is 5. Tens, we have to move to the tens place now. In tens place 5 plus 7 is, now count. After 5 open 7 fingers and count. 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 2 in tens column and 1 is remaining, right? So that 1 we have to carry to the rupees place. In rupees column 1 we have to add. Where we have to add? On the ones column, top of the 8. So now we have to add 1 plus 8 plus 0 in rupees. That means we are trying to add ones column here. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So write the answer 9 in zeros column. Now move to the tens place. Again here in tens place what is the number? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is 99 rupees 25 paise. Now subtract from 35 rupees 75 paise, subtract 23 rupees 25 paise. So here in again paises column, see ones place and tens place. Likewise in rupees column, ones place and tens place are given. So first we shall subtract paises column, ones place. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Move to the tens place. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Now move to the rupees column. In rupees column, move to the ones place. First we have to subtract. So here 5 minus 3 is 2 and move to the tens place. Now here in tens place 3 minus 2 is 1. So write the answer 1 in tens column. So total our answer is 35 rupees 75 paise minus 23 rupees 25 paise. Answer is 12 rupees 50 paise. Now let us do it. For example, addition of money, what is the total? They have given the question. For example, A bit here. First bit 12 rupees 50 paise plus 13 rupees 50 paise. Now directly I am telling you without confusing your place values, ones, tens and all. So directly you know already, I have already explained you. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 0. Now again 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 means write 0 here and 1 is there. 1 you are carrying to the rupees ones place. That means on the top of the 2 you are writing 1. Now we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is directly 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Write this 6 in ones column. Now move to the tens place. In tens place what is there? 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 in tens column. So answer is 26 rupees. Likewise do the rest of the sums. Now subtraction. Subtraction of money. What is the difference and how much is left over? Here A bit 39 rupees minus 25 rupees. So now move to the paise column first. In paise column all are zeros are over there after the decimals. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now move to the rupees column. In rupees column, first we have to subtract ones place. 9 minus 5 is 4. Write the 4 in ones column and move to the tens place. In tens place there is 3 and 2. We have to do subtraction here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Write this 1 in tens column. So 39 minus 25 is 14. So our answer is rupees 14. So rest of the sums you do. Now third question. You need to collect 10 rupees from Tina and 34 rupees 50 paise from Tarun. How much money will you get in total? This total means addition. We have to do addition. Money from Tina is rupees 10. Money from Tarun is rupees 34. Now we have to add. Now we are writing rupees in rupees column and paise in paises column. Now 10 rupees and paises are 0. After decimal zeros. There are no paises. Now from Tarun you write 34 in rupees column and 50 paise is there. So 50 paise you write in paise column. So 50. Okay, now we have to add now. Zeros. That means in paise column we are trying to add ones place. That is 0 plus 0 is 0. Now move to the tens column. In tens column 0 plus 5 is 5. So write 5 paises over. Now move to the rupees column. In rupees column here in ones place 0 plus 4 is there. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Write 4 in ones column. Now move to the tens place. In tens place 1 and 3 are there. We have to add 1 plus 3 is 4. So write 4 in tens place. Now in tens column we have given 4 here. The total answer 10 plus 34 rupees 50 paise is equal to, our answer is 44 rupees 50 paise. Now B bit. You are going to a shop to get a packet of biscuits and chips. A pack of biscuits cost 15 rupees and chips cost 10 rupees. How much will you pay the shopkeeper in total? I told you total means we have to do addition. Now here they have given the statement like cost of biscuits. Cost of biscuits, how much they have told here in the question? Rupees 15. So write 15 in rupees column. And paise nothing is there. So put zeros after the decimal. Okay. Now cost of chips. Cost of chips is how much? Rupees 10. Now write 10 rupees in rupees column and put the decimal, that means dot, and in paise column you put the zeros. Now you have to add the total cost we are trying to find out now. Now paise column is completely 0. So in ones place 0 plus 0 is 0. In 10 place 0 plus 0 is 0. Write the zeros in paise column totally. Now move to the rupees place. Now we have to add ones place now. 5 plus 0 is 5. Write 5 in ones column and move to the tens place. In tens place 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 in tens column. So our answer is 15 rupees plus 10 rupees is equal to total cost is 25 rupees. Now C bit. A cricket ball cost rupees 30 and a bat cost rupees 155. You have only rupees 200 with you. Now part 1. How much will it cost to buy the bat and ball? Cost to buy. What we are trying to buy here? Two objects we are trying to buy. What are they? Bat and ball. So what we have to do now? Here we have to do first part, addition. Okay, now we shall finish off first part 1 here. In part 1, cost of ball is how much? 30 rupees. So write 30 rupees as they showed in the textbook, like rupees column and paise column. And write the cost of bat. Cost of bat, how much rupees here? 155 rupees. 155 rupees. So write 155 and you have to add this. So in paise column, there are no paises here. So you put the decimal, that is dot, and write paises as zeros. So paise column nothing is there. So write directly zeros and try to move to the rupees column and add now ones place. So 0 plus 5 is 5 and tens place we are trying to add now. 3 plus 5 is 8. So write 8 in the tens column. Now here 100 is left over in hundreds column. Hundreds place, here 1 is there. So for 1 in hundreds column nothing is there apart from 1. So directly write this ones column 1. That is hundreds column you write 1. So the total answer is 155 plus 30 rupees is equal to total he has spent is 185 rupees. Now we shall move to the question number part 2. Part 2, how much change will you get back if you buy only the ball? That means get back. Get back means what we have to do? We have to understand that we have to do the subtraction. How we will do that? We shall find out now. Amount you have. How much amount of money you have? 200 rupees. So write 200 in the rupees column and put paises 0 here because there are no paises here. So put decimal, that is dot, and in paises you write zeros. Now amount spent on what? Ball. Amount spent on ball is equal to how much rupees that cost a ball cost is 30 rupees. So we have to subtract now here, that is 200 rupees minus 30 rupees. Now we shall do the subtraction. In paises, 0 paises are there. So 0 means nothing. So write zeros in the paises column. Now move to the rupees column. Rupees column, here we have ones place value, tens place value and hundreds place value. Now first we shall do subtraction of ones place. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. So write 0 in ones column. Now move to the tens place. In tens place 0 is there. 0 minus 3. Can we do directly 0 minus 3? No. We have to borrow from hundreds place. That is 1 we have to borrow. This 2 will become 1 and this 1 will come here 0, that is in tens place, that is 1 plus 0 is becomes 10. So 10 minus 3 is here 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. So here what will be there in hundreds place? This 7 we wrote in tens column and here 1 is left over. So 2, no, there is no 2 here, only 1. So directly you write 1, hundreds place 1, you write in hundreds column as 1. So your answer is 200 minus 30 is 170. Now debit. Shanti has rupees 25. A piece of cake costs 16 rupees 50 paise. She wants to know how much money she will have left after she buys the cake. So left means here what we are doing? We have to do the subtraction. We have to do here subtraction. So money Shanti has 25 rupees and cost of cake is equal to 16 rupees 50 paise. Now how much money left? We are trying to do the subtraction now. In paises column, first we have to see the ones place. In ones place 0 minus 0 is 0. Now move to the tens place. In tens place value here 0 is there and down 5 is there. Can we subtract 0 minus 5? No. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from rupees. So borrow now 1. Now this 0 we cancel it and write on the top of the 0 as 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So write this 5 in tens column. Now switch on to the rupees place. Now in rupees column here there are ones place and tens place values, right? So here we have borrowed 1 already to the paise. We have given 1 to the paises column. Now here what will be there? So cancel 5 and 4 is there here. So can we subtract 4 minus 6? No. We have to borrow again 1 from tens place. So this 2 will be cancelled and 1 will be remained over here. And this 1 will come as 4. So after 4, if we write 1 in tens place and this will become as 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So write 8 in ones column and now add tens column now. Tens place 1 minus 1 is 0. You write 0 in tens column. So money left with her Shanti is 8 rupees 50 paise. Now move to the next page. See, let us learn and enjoy. Who can buy it? That you can do by seeing the pictures. See here, some objects are there, Barbie doll and some chips packets are there, and this girl is having only 100 rupees. Now, if you had 50 rupees and went to a grocery store, what would you be able to buy? Make a list of the items and then approximate cost. Make sure it adds up to 50 rupees. That is B question, and C you can do it on your own. Now here in the A bit, who can buy it? Draw a line to match. Here they have given some objects here, like Barbie doll, some chips packet and some ball, bat and chocolates, like that. So with this rupees and with the money what you have, just you do the matching. So thank you children. Take care. We shall meet you in the next class.